Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Dawson, and in this video, we're going to talk about current market cap versus fully diluted market cap, why you should look at both of these, what do they both mean, and under what scenarios might you want to take one over the other, okay? We're going to talk about things like token inflation, how that affects price, and then other things like that, okay? So we'll highlight what these are, when and how you can manipulate them for either your short-term goals or your long-term goals, and what you should watch out for if you are going to start investing in crypto to keep these two things in mind, all right? I really appreciated putting out like good quality tech and informational knowledge while we're in this 2023 bear market. Hopefully I can provide some value about some stuff that I wasn't super clear on when I joined crypto in 2021. So there's probably these videos out there. I didn't really look for them or care to look for them. I didn't even really know I should be looking for them. So hopefully this video will help you and some other people kind of understand these two things and how they can affect your investment journey. To start this video off, I just want to go to CoinMarketCap and show you the Cardano page. We can see right here, actually, if we scroll down, we can see even more information, but we can see right here that currently Cardano is sitting at a market cap of 9.5 billion. That's calculated by taking the current supply of Cardano, which is about 35 billion tokens, multiplying it by the price of about 27 cents, and you get about 9.5 billion in the current market cap of Cardano. We also have a fully diluted market cap of about 12.5 billion, and that's taken by multiplying the total supply of Cardano that will ever be in circulation at the end of all minting, which is 45 billion ADA, and you multiply by the current price of 27 cents and you get 12.5 billion. If we scroll back up, we can see more of this data. We can see that the market cap currently is 9.56 billion with a circulating supply of about 34.5 billion ADA, okay? So Cardano has a total token supply of 45 billion. So those two, the difference in the supply that's out right now and the total supply is what differentiates current market cap versus fully diluted market cap. So now why would you as an investor want to be more involved in current market cap versus fully diluted market cap? When I first started, I solely did price predictions and looked at what to invest in, kind of analyzing the value of projects based on their current market cap. And I would probably go back and do this differently, but current market cap should probably be used for short-term investments. If you are kind of a swing trader on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, current market cap might be better for you. If you are someone who's looking to get in and out of a position or short a position in a shorter time frame, we're talking days, weeks, and months, current market cap might be better for you. If you're a longer term investor, current market cap might not be the best because you have to take into things like token inflation. Token inflation is what happens when coins are released. So in Cardano, we have staking. When you stake and support the network for the proof of stake delegated consensus mechanism, then the ADA that's being minted and released is inflating the supply. So as the supply is inflated, normally in a normal economic situation, price would correlate and go down if all things remain the same. If there's more of an asset and nothing else has changed, like desirability or value or market conditions or money in the system, if all those things stay constant and you just create more of a token, that token price will probably come down. Okay, so if you are a long-term investor, but you're only looking at the current market cap, you're not taking into account things like token inflation, which could lower the price on a fair value level because there's more tokens in circulation. Now, if you're more of a short-term swing trader, if you use charts and TA and you're looking to get in and out of trades, then you might be more interested in the current market cap because you're not sitting here holding on to tokens, waiting for token supply inflation to take effect on the price. You're looking at outside factors besides inflation to control your price. You're looking at charts, you're looking at news, you're looking at speculation, you're looking at this and that, right? You're looking at what others are saying. These all affect the price today and tomorrow and this month and next month, right? Token supply inflation will affect the price over next year and the year after that, okay? So if your time frames are less than a year, current market cap might be better for you. Now, if you're someone like me who's more of a long-term trader, longer term time horizons, 2 to 3 years minimum that you're looking before you're ready to sell anything. But really, I plan on holding stuff into 2023 and beyond. If you're someone like that, which is what I was in 2021, but I didn't know it, you would probably be better suited looking at the fully diluted market cap, whether you're looking at ADA whether you're looking at Ethereum, whether you're looking at Cardano native tokens like MinSwap, MuesliSwap, other things on Cardano, you're better off looking at the fully diluted market cap in order to expect what kind of gains you can return, because you need to think of it as those tokens will be released over the next year or two. They can severely affect the price and the desirability of a token based on just pure economics. If there's more tokens in circulation, the price of that token will be lower. So if all things out in the world stay the same, if like the news, the money supply, the governments, all of this stays the same, and you just have supply being released, price of the token will come down proportionally to equate to an equal balance, right? It's a sliding scale. It's like a triangle. As supply is increased, the price will go down, okay, to be proportional to the current value. Similarly, if there was only one Bitcoin in circulation ever, the price of that would be way higher than if there's 10 billion Bitcoin in circulation, right? So you got to think about these market economics, and fully diluted market cap helps you to think about those in a better longer term time horizon. If you're like a huge VC fund and you're looking at buying into some of these tokens right now, then your time horizons are probably 3 to 5 years at the minimum. And so with that, you're looking at the fully diluted market cap to see, okay, MinSwap's fully diluted is this, Uniswap's fully diluted is this. Do we think that MinSwap can take their fully diluted market cap to the fully diluted market cap of Uniswap? You're not focused on the current market cap because you know that can be changed short term, whereas the fully diluted market cap is the end game scenario that you need to focus on for maximum supply. So then the only thing you're left with, changing is the price. So to summarize, current market cap is better suited for shorter term investors, traders, swing traders, people who want to be in and out of positions within days, weeks, and months. Fully diluted market cap is for those who are looking for longer time horizons, such as multiple months to years and beyond, multiple years. Okay. So if you're a short-term trader, short-term day trader, market cap doesn't really affect you too much. If you're someone who's investing like a big fund, or if you're being your own bank, you are more concerned with the longer term time horizons, and the token inflation of these projects will affect price on the long term. So you might as well take into account what that inflation will do by using fully diluted market cap, which fully takes inflation out of the picture. It pretends that inflation has already happened. So then you can just say, okay, inflation's done. Now what can the price do? 99% of us, I would assume, are more interested in the 2 to 3 year time horizon, kind of like how I am. So what I would imagine is more of a responsible investment decision metric to look at is fully diluted market cap. And we're going to do a scenario here on that. So in this example, we have SushiSwap. What we're going to do is compare SushiSwap, Ethereum exchange that, is well known within the community, did very well last bull market, and had a huge market cap. Okay, it had a huge fully diluted market cap, and it made people a lot of money. Okay, we're going to compare that to MinSwap. MinSwap is a Cardano DEX, much smaller TVL, newer in the industry. Okay, and we're going to compare how SushiSwap's market cap and fully diluted market cap compared to MinSwap's fully diluted market cap and current market cap. Okay, and what kind of expectations you can put from MinSwap if you wanted to compare it to SushiSwap. If you think MinSwap can become something like a SushiSwap, this is kind of how I would go about looking at that. SushiSwap, we can see right here, has a market cap of $234 million. Okay, that's the current market cap based on the current token supply. We can see that it has a fully diluted market cap of 263 million. So really close. We can also come over here and see that the circulating supply of SushiSwap's 89% circulation. So they're almost 90% token fully out there for the public to use. Okay, this is why market cap and fully diluted market cap are so close together. If we compare this to MinSwap, MinSwap currently has a $288,000 market cap and a fully diluted market cap of $57 million. This is a huge gap. And the reason for this is because the current supply of MinSwap is only at 1% released. There's only 25 million min out in circulation of the total max supply of 5 billion. All right, so this is a huge gap, and that's where inflation of the tokenomics can really eat you alive as an investor if you're not prepared for it. So let's say I wanted to go invest in Sushi Swap. I can make an investment right now, and because the market cap and the fully diluted market cap are so close together, it doesn't matter if you have a short-term time horizon or a long-term time horizon. Token inflation, which there's only 10% of the tokens left to be released, is not going to hurt you. It's not going to make a significant enough impact for you to worry about it. If I was to invest in MinSwap right now, and I was a short-term trader, I wouldn't really need to worry about the inflation of the token. But if I was a long-term trader, I would want to at least understand and think about how long-term token and inflation can affect me as an investor. Okay. So what are some ways that we can combat this as an investor? Today, I'm considering buying into MinSwap or like Muesli Swap. And here's what I would do. I would not focus on the current market cap because it's unrealistic. If you think about large DEXs like this, you expect them to get between 500 million and a billion fully diluted market cap or current market cap, either one, depending on what time you're looking at. But you would expect these projects to be in the multiple hundreds of millions or the small billions in dollars worth. Okay. So when you take this current market cap, that is a huge X percentage gain, which is not going to happen because of the token inflation. So I wouldn't even look at this. If I were to invest in MinSwap today, I would think, okay, I expect MinSwap to be at its height in the next bull market at around 2024, 2025, 2026. So we need to look a couple years out. Token inflation will take an effect, but if we look at the fully diluted market cap, we don't have to worry about token inflation. If we say, I think MinSwap's going to be worth $1 billion in the next bull run, then we can look at this fully diluted market cap and say, okay, that's about a 10 to 15x, and we don't have to worry about token inflation. So when you look at the fully diluted market cap, you can make realistic expectations of how much percent you can gain on your token. So if I was to buy $1,000 in MinSwap today, maybe I could expect a 10x on that money. If you do it off the current market cap, you're saying, okay, I think 500,000, you can get to 500 million. That's like a 1,000x. It's just not going to happen. If you do it off of the fully diluted market cap, you have much better odds of making a better investment decision that could actually possibly happen. So that's kind of the situation of current market cap versus fully diluted market cap. And that's just kind of some information I wish somebody would have shown me when I first started. The information was probably out there. I just didn't look enough for it because I didn't really even know that there was this situation of current versus fully diluted market cap. As I've learned, I think, I can make much better investment decisions, and I hope to provide value to you people watching, and hopefully you understand what current versus fully diluted market cap is. But if we just understand our time horizons as investors, understand how token inflation can affect the price, understand how the inflation and the price affects our returns, and how we should value these projects, we're going to be much smarter investors together. So hopefully I provided some value with what these two things are and how they can affect them. I personally think that fully diluted market cap is about 1,000 times more important than the current market cap of a project because I'm just more of a long-term horizon investor. All right. So if you're a short-term investor, maybe you want to do current market cap. If you're a long-term investor, maybe you want to do fully diluted market cap. Maybe you just don't want to worry about token inflation at all, even if you're a short-term trader and you just want to focus on fully diluted market cap as well. That's your prerogative. But I hope I provided some value with what these two things are and how inflation and price and all these things work together to get you a better investment. If you like the video, I appreciate a like, a comment, subscribe. Please leave any questions you have down below. If there's any other projects on Cardano or any other chain that you want me to look at, please leave a comment below and we will do a video on it. We are going to be building all 2023 with this channel, pushing as much as we can to provide as much value. So please stick around. Hope everyone has a great weekend and God bless.